trying out live trading, but it's like paper trading. But just to get me used to doing something. It's live trading, but fake money. But I want to be able to, obviously do this for real. But since 6 o'clock, I got 600 quid. But obviously, I am placing. I think on this one it was it's a lot. But on the other Bitcoin, it's not that bad. This is 54, I think, 54,000, but it's not really 54,000. It's like 50 to 1 ratio. What is it? Hold it down. Project position, right? So 14. Risk to reward, 14. Yeah. So they give you like, it's basically like a prop firm. If you pay for a prop firm and you however much X is like, say, 100 grand or 50 grand or something, this one it's 100 grand, I think. My risk to reward is 14 to 1. If I win, 14. If I lose, it's 1. You know what I mean? So it's not that bad. I only lose 200 quid, I think it is. If I can show you that. So I've got the stop loss down at 255 if I lose. But I've been in there since about 4 o'clock. Predict it's going on the 15-minute time frame. If I can show you the 15-minute time frame. So each one of them is 15 minutes. So I've been it's an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, say 4 hours. I feel like it's going up. It might not, because it might just stay along that line. It sort of reached that line before, but not. This is on the 15-minute, so basically it's going to reach that line. It's going to go way above it. So I predict it's going to be, say, when it peaks, it can peak a lot. It's as far as I go back on the free version. When it peaks, that's it. If I go on to, say, it'll show me a longer time frame on the daily. Like that. That's where we are in the daily. So obviously that's July, August. So I would say it's going back up. If it does go down a bit more, it might go down a bit more maybe. Considering it is going to be going up and up. So like 2017, it was like 10,000 Bitcoin. Yeah. And then it went up to 2022. This is a Bitcoin versus US dollar. So it says 64. So it's only ever been at 64. That's slow. Yeah. Went down there to 20. Back up to 64. Oh, there it goes, sorry. Why is that? That's one day. I don't get what it did a minute ago. Because it went up to... That's 100, I was at the top, look. 100 and... Yeah, it did go up. 120 at its highest. So, yeah, there it was like 60, 60, 60, 60, 29, then it went bush, 60, 60. At them points, it was low. I suggest it was in the minus. That's the reason why it went up that high. It's still in the minus. When it went up to there. It never blew out that purple bit at the top, that's what I'm looking at. It never blew out the zone. So you've got like different zones. I'll try and move it down, there you go. I really think that's what I'm going off anyway, these. I can't remember what they were. It's like real value, or actual value, yeah. So, these are, when it's in the minus, it tends to go up. A minus 49. That was a minus 49, I'm going to bet it's going to go up. But it stays at the same level. But even so, it's sort of, because it went down drastically, that's why it's in the minus. So it's still in the minus going up, and it goes up to the top, 20. So you think, oh right, it could go down. It got to 50, but like, it starts going down. It drops into the minus. It's minus, 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 it's gradually getting back up, equal. When it stays equal, it's sort of gets rid of the minus. So now I'm at 49, it's equal in the middle. So I don't know where it's going to go, to be honest. It's most likely going to go up. Due to the time frame. So I'll put the stop loss is way down, look. Stop loss is there. Oh yeah. So I'm thinking, well, it's July, don't get me wrong, it's July, August. So in August, in July it went up. So that's on the daily, but if you look on the 15-minute one, I want it to go up to there. Is it likely? Who knows? But it's sort of bullish. Whether that goes down now, if it goes down below. The red. If it goes down, then it's going to be bearish, but it could be bound. I was on 600. Oh my god, it's gone down. Yeah. But it's going to go back up, I think. It's still low. It's still at 8.1 in the middle. it's going down. Go down even a bit more. So whether it takes out that green or not, the first bit. Go down and look at 5 minutes. It's a drastic drop over that last 5 minutes. Basically 3 people sold and it's just been 0.0001. It's not very active. That's why it's moving a lot. Someone said it's going to go up to that 5.337. I can't see it. That's from 2 till then. Let's say there, look at that. Wow. Yesterday. Crazy. So I'm thinking, hopefully it starts going crazy. No, do it up. Right. So that's my dollar Bitcoin. It's basically paper trading. Right, so gives you 100,000 to start off with, and within the last week I'm up to 110. Equities 113, but realised potential profit, so I've actually got 10,884.88. Yeah. Unrealised potential, the one stuff that I've got in at the moment, it's only worth about 2,800. So I'm probably going to cash out of a few of them. It's just wasted. So, consider it's paper trading. I'm just going to go back. I was trying to look at £20, see how long it will take me. To do that, I might as well do that for real. It will take you a long time. So, even if you keep it there, reinvest in it, you're better off to go with a prop firm, because it's sort of if you went 50 quid and you put it on the stock market, it will take you, even if you won every single time, it will take you about 10 years to be able to do that or more. You know, doubling your profit each time. Feel like it. So with the prop firm, you can have 500 to 1, so 50 quid, I'll say 100 quid, 500 to 1. Yeah, that means you've got 50 grand. And then it's like an option to get, you're going to increase your by 10%, which I've done on this. And look, I'm not really clued up about it, sort of know, but there's different things that I look for. Recently I've been looking at that and it seemed to be working. But like Euro's closed for the weekend, silver's closed, soil's closed, soil. Japan, I think it's closed as well. They're all closed apart from crypto. At the moment I've gone crypto and the crypto USD tethering. This one's a bit different. Actually, it's virtually the same. It does look virtually the same. isn't it? It's so close to being the same. Yeah, so you can make like two different trades. This one, it is slightly different because it goes up a little, then up at the bet, yeah. But if I go to the other one, it goes up a lot more. You know what I mean? In a different, it's different. It is different. So a different price, 64954, yeah. Yeah. And that was at 920. So the other one's at 954. It didn't take all the green out. That's what I mean, the buying. It's sold. No one's buying there. Doesn't look like it's going down. Yeah, we'll see. Say it's minus 200 or that. Similar. I've gone up a bit higher maybe. It's probably a way to get two trades on the same Bitcoin. That was only like yesterday, midday, it was up that high. So I'd lose 500. If I show you my trade, my balance history, right? I've got 1,700 on USD. Then I've got minus 70. This one I put it on there just as a test, like straight away it went straight down. But it was a large amount because I just whacked it all on, I think. So I lost 6 grand, 7 grand, right? I got 10 grand on, what was it, close on, TBC, Go. That was Nasdaq's defense. That's gone, it's gone so far down, that is crazy. I don't know why that come on after, anyway, but then closed long on that. I lost twice on that DFNS. Literally, I lost 6 grand there and I lost 7 grand again. But closed long 10 grand, 6 grand minus. Yeah, I just closed that one. That was a test. That was really. Yeah, closed out. Closed long position. Bitcoin. I lost 300 on Bitcoin. Not too. I didn't put much on. Put like 1. Then I got Bitcoin tethering. So that Bitcoin USD weren't that good. And then Bitcoin tethering, I got 6,000. I lost 60 on the USD. I only put for 1,000 units. And then Nasdaq, DFNS, tried it again, down. I think I was a test at one point. DX, TVCDX. Nice. And then this one again, US. Wow, that was a bad one, that was. Down 4,000. Don't even know what happened to that. I think I just randomly put it on USD. I put a lot on it as well. Closed long position, so really, like, all these, I was up, and then all these just like took it back 68p, whatever. So really, I've got, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What is that? 11, 12, 13. So it's 13. It says 13, no, it's not. It's telling me on the balance. Right, now 13. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 losses. That's crazy, mate. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, but they're like, you know what I mean, you can't really say that. So out of, say, don't forget that one. 102, whatever. I've got 100 grand, you know what I mean? So take that one out. 2 major trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 major trades. Is it? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, out of 6 major trades, or big trades, I could lose a lot. 4 of them are won. So that's a good 60%, isn't it? Is it? I don't care anyway. But my available funds, I'll cash out now and have all the funds available. Right. My account margin is that it was up before. It was up to over 120. But my equity is 113. Oh, 2,008. If I cashed out now, 2,881. Plus I get the money back that I put in, which is fair amount, because I'm in positions that's 8 grand, 54 grand in that. I'm only getting 200 quid. That should come out. And again, if it goes up, it'll be 3 grand. But I'm not losing, I'm not going to lose on this one. Right? I'm not going to lose on it. If I lose, I'm going to lose £255 if I stay in it. Don't get me wrong, there's 54,000 on the table, but it's only £254 loss because it'll cap it out. If it goes near that red, it'll be done. Right? A little call back now, see what happens. I could just come out of it. I've got 400 quid. I could say that's a win. But it's the paper trade in me. Like, I probably could have come out there about 800 quid. That's probably what I would have done. Money's money. this is me learning. Let's see. I might post it again, I don't know. I've got to have a look at my other stuff. The gold, tell you what, gold was good, man. I went on gold. Like, is it gold? When I was in history, I got 10, it was 10 grand on gold. Got gold. 10 grand. Is that open? It's not open. One day. So it's closed for the weekend. I can't remember what I did. It's like, show me, it should show me. Where I came in and where I went on. It doesn't show me. Gold spot. US dollar. It wasn't that. It was literally gold. It was gold, mate. Oh, I'm in there now still. See, I could lose 3 grand on gold. I put a stop on it. So I'm predicting it's going to go down. I might be wrong on that. But it's either 3 grand or minus 800 quid. It's my first sort of downward one. No, just shut up there on that day. I think it's going to retrace. Go to the daily. Yeah, it did just shoot. I added it there though. On the day. I added it on the day. Sort of halfway through the day, stop loss. Let's see. It's broke up. So I might just keep on going up. Maybe. I think it's gone past my stop loss, but it hasn't because it's on the day. I'll go to the 4 hour. Go into there. That was the other one. I got from there to the top. That was about 10 grand. I went up. To there, it was 10 grand. Buy limit. Oh, I put a buy limit there. So if it went down there that low, I would automatically buy it 100. That's what I've got set. All I'm asking it is to go down to that green bit, to go down to the green line. No, I ain't asking much, mate. Considering what's going up and up like that. Go to the 5 minute. Doesn't look like it's going up, but in total it's going down. Up from there where it actually reaches it. Goes down 3 points. It could carry down, I think. You get on different things, but you don't know these geezers. I reckon it's going to go down, one of them. And he's aiming to buy it there, exactly what I did. Oh, that's crazy.